Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The most listened to radio show on the planet. Even the other stations are tuned in too.
You're listening to Business Talk Radio, where we take business to the next level.
Good morning, everybody. This is Louis Michelson at Business Talk Radio, and we have a very special guest speaker on today from Great Neck, New York. He's a lawyer, and it's Jordan Trager. How we doing, Jordan?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Okay, so since this is the first time on the radio with me, I'd like you to tell all our listeners out there a little bit about yourself, a little bit about what you do, why you do it, and how you do it.
Well, my name's Jordan Trager. I'm an attorney. I've been doing divorce and family law for about 25 years now, a little over 25 years. I've developed a bit of a niche in two areas of the law. One is divorce mediation, and the other is parental alienation. And in terms of what I do, up until recently, we go into court and we litigate cases regarding divorce matters and family court matters. Obviously, things are a little bit different now with the coronavirus, but that's primarily what we do.
Very good. So, and you've been doing divorce law for how long now?
For a little over 25 years. I used to work for myself for about 13 years. I had my own practice. Then I worked for an attorney for a couple of years who did high-end divorce cases, and I've been here with this firm, Wisselman, Harounian Associates, now for a little over 10 years.
And how come you decided to get out of your own and go work for somebody else?
Well, I have a little bit of a unique story. For myself personally, in addition to practicing law, I also had my own mortgage company for a number of years. And that with the crisis and everything that had happened in 07 and 08, business had changed at that point, as I'm sure you and your listeners know, and I had to find other employment at that point in time. Yeah,
I had a very good friend that was a lawyer, and he got crushed by that time, and he actually committed suicide.
Well, I'm very sorry to hear that.
Yeah, unbelievable. But that's something else. All right. So, how are you handling everything now with the coronavirus?
Well, business is handled in a very different way now. Typically, when we get a case, we will we'll file papers, we'll go to court, we'll meet with the judge in chambers. With the coronavirus, everything like a lot of other businesses right now is being handled either through Skype or Zoom or other online meeting places. So what will typically happen is we will request a conference with a court. They will send us a link through Skype for Business, and then we'll have a conference through the Skype for Business app. And those conferences normally are spaced about 2 weeks apart. The courts generally try to encourage settlement because at this, right now with everything that's going on, it's difficult, if not impossible, to have trials. So they are encouraging a lot of settlement negotiations. So a lot of the business is shifted from the courtroom to the office. But we're still operational. We're still doing divorces every day. We're still getting lots of cases and clients. It's just that the business structure has shifted out of the courtroom and into the office.
Lots of things out there that are changing. I don't know for the better, but it's going to be the new norm.
Well, a lot of things are changing. In some ways, it's made things. I think the conference calls through the Skype for Business app are here to stay. I don't think that we're going to be returning to the old way of doing things. And if we do, I think they're going to keep a lot of the aspects that are currently in place. It has made certain things very difficult. We handle some very difficult custody cases where parents are fighting over children. There are visitation issues. Parents are not complying with visitation orders. And it can be a very challenging environment when you can't go into court and file an emergency motion and see a judge right away. So we're all trying to work through the new normal, as we like to say.
Yeah, it's a very new normal. Everywhere you go, everywhere you turn. The pivot word is a big word now.
Yeah, it's very new.
Yes. All right, Jordan, what I need you to do now is give out all your contact information on how to get in touch with you.
Certainly. So my name's Jordan Trager. Again, I work for Wisselman, Harounian Associates. We're a law firm in Great